Hello, my name is Winston Suarez. This is the presentation of my family. This is a photo of me and my partner. We are outside on a sunny day. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. We are smiling. We are not wearing sunglasses. My partner is wearing a black shirt. I am wearing a blue shirt. We are happy. We are enjoying the day. I love the photo. This is a photo of me and my son. This is a normal day. We are at home. We are spending the time together. In the photo, my are smiling. I am holding my son. We look happy and calm. We are not doing anything special, but this moment is special for me. I love the photo. It's so low and peace. This is a photo from my sister's wedding. In the photo, I am with my two sisters. We are smiling and standing together. My sister is wearing a beautiful white dress. I am wearing a formal suit. My other sister is also dressed very well. We are happy because it is a special day. Thank you, teacher.